Electric scooters are convenient for running errands and commuting short distances. Although I haven't given up on my car yet, I can't ignore a scooter's advantages. First, electric scooter ownership is definitely less expensive than automobile ownership. Because they are battery operated, electric scooters do not require trips to the gas station for costly fill-ups and have zero emissions to boot. Also, you won't need to worry about finding or paying for a parking spot. Before we get started with our video detailing the best electric scooters on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off with the best overall electric scooter, we have the Glion Dolly Adult Electric Scooter. Appealing to students, commuters, and even riders age 60 and above, the Glion Dolly Electric Scooter earns great reviews. With 8-inch wide never-flat tires, its ride is as smooth as silk, with a maximum rider weight up to 255 pounds. Topping out at 15 miles per hour, this electric scooter has versatile speeds and goes as slow as a granny walking and as fast as a bicycle, as described by a user on Amazon, where it earned 4.5 out of 5 stars. In fact, Amazon users attest to its good lithium-ion battery life that offers plenty of juice to power a 15-mile range. A couple of riders over 200 pounds climb hills on this model daily with little problem. With a short charge time of 3.5 hours, the Glion electric scooter is perfect for scooting to campus or the office, recharging during class or the workday if necessary, and riding back home. And each way, you'll enjoy a quiet ride with its 250-watt engine that purrs. The Glion electric scooter uses anti-lock, electromagnetic regenerative brakes that are steady for some, but jerky and a little slow for others. Rated Best Overall Scooter by LifeWire, and one of the top models by Ride 2 Wheels, The City for Millennials, and Thrill Appeal, the Glion Dolly Foldable Lightweight Adult Electric Scooter has a sleek design that folds up and rolls like stand-up luggage with a pull-handle dolly. Finally, customers praise the manufacturer's customer service highly. Next up, we have the best budget electric scooter, which goes to the Razer PowerCore E90. When most people think of kick scooters for kids, they think of the Razer brand. Don't count it out of the electric scooter game either. The Razer PowerCore E90 electric scooter is a zippy and economical model. With a top speed of 10 miles per hour and a maximum ride time of up to 70 minutes, this fun and sturdy scooter is an excellent deal. The Razer PowerCore E90 electric scooter is a wallet-friendly way for novices to dip their toes in the electric scooter transportation pool. Reviewers describe it as easy to assemble, ride, and maintain. In fact, Best Reviews named this model Best Bang for Buck. LifeWire chose it as Best Budget Scooter, and EnvyRide selected it as one of its top 5 budget-friendly models. You might not expect much power from a budget model, but the Razer PowerCore E90 electric scooter defies expectations. With a surprisingly long life per charge, the scooter's battery allows for up to 70 minutes of continuous use. A lot of reviewers say they simply charge the lead battery overnight. You kickstart the scooter to get it going, and then the in-wheel hub motor takes over. It also has a push-button throttle and handbrakes. Most feedback from Amazon shoppers was from parents and grandparents about experiences of their kids and grandkids, ranging in age from 5 to 10 years. Nonetheless, many adults tried the scooter and loved it. In fact, despite the scooter's advertised maximum rider weight of 120 pounds, several grown-ups over 150 pounds found it quite peppy and rideable. We gathered from comments, however, that the Razer PowerCore E90 electric scooter is best for kids or lighter, shorter adult riders. About 72% of the almost 400 Amazon buyers gave the Razer PowerCore E90 electric scooter 4 or 5 out of 5 stars. This scooter is a great deal, but many wish for a warranty longer than 90 days. Up next, we have the best electric scooter for commuting while sitting, which goes to the Razer EcoSmart Metro. Perfect for commuters and riders ranging from young adults to senior citizens, the Razer EcoSmart Metro electric scooter is designed for stability, convenience, and good looks. Its solid bamboo deck and padded adjustable height seat help you balance and rest your feet while traveling. A large detachable rear basket holds items for safe, accessible transport on errands. Thrill Appeal noted how this model sports a vintage bike vibe with its 16-inch pneumatic tire tubes on spoke wheels. Excellent for commuting, the Razer EcoSmart Metro electric scooter tops out at 18 miles per hour and has a ride time up to 40 minutes. Amazon shoppers report riding distances of 7 to 8 miles on hilly terrain and up to 12 miles on level roads on a full battery after charging it for 12 hours or overnight. With a 36-volt lead battery and a 500-watt motor, this model carries up to 220 pounds, including the rider and cargo in basket. The Razer EcoSmart Metro electric scooter has a hand-operated rear disc brake that works fine on level ground, but can get hot. Many riders wish this model had a front brake as well. Voted Best Speed by LifeWire, Most fun commuting scooter by Thrill Appeal, ideal for short trips by Transportation Evolved, and one of the top 7 scooters for adults by Ride 2 Wheels. This model earned 4 or 5 stars from 78% of almost 300 Amazon reviewers. Next, we have the best electric scooter for commuting while standing, which goes to the GOTRAX GXL Commuting. Enthusiastic feedback from students and commuters make the GOTRAX GXL Commuting electric scooter sound like a cool replacement for your car. Well, sort of. Shoppers love traveling while avoiding traffic and parking hassles, as well as saving money on gas. For lengthy commutes, go green by combining this scooter with public transportation. Ride the scooter to the transit station, lock it on a bike rack, then hop on a train, bus, or subway to finish your journey. If you do ride it all the way to your destination, the scooter folds up into a compact, portable package that is easy to stash under a desk. With 8.5-inch pneumatic tires, the GOTRAX GXL Commuting electric scooter delivers a smooth ride over bumpy roads. After just 4 hours of recharging, its 36-volt, UL-certified lithium-ion battery provides up to 12 miles of range or 12.5 hours of ride time. The 250-watt hub motor powers up to a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and hauls a maximum weight of 220 pounds. The GOTRAX GXL Commuting electric scooter is easy to assemble and is constructed of high-quality material. Reviewers feel reassured by the scooter's dual hand and foot braking system that stops the scooter well. It also has a headlamp, but no taillight. Don't be dissuaded by the relatively low number of reviews for the GOTRAX GXL Commuting electric scooter on Amazon. 72% awarded it 5 out of 5 stars. It earned 4.7 out of 5 stars from a pool of 34 reviews on Walmart's site. Plus, MyProScooter named it Best Electric Scooter for Commuting, and Ride 2 Wheels, Livewire, and Best Reviews listed among their top picks for electric scooters. And for our last pick, we have the Best Electric Scooter for Kids, which goes to the Razor E100. Recommended for riders age 8 and up, the Razor E100 is a scooter you can feel confident about when your kid is zooming around outdoors. Having won a Parents' Choice Award, this scooter was named Best Electric Scooter for Kids by the Strategist of New York Magazine and highly rated on Top 10 Select. More than 1,400 Amazon reviewers rated it 5 out of 5 stars. With a top speed of 10 miles per hour and a kickstart feature, the scooter must be moving up to 3 miles per hour and the rider pushes a button before the motor engages. The Razor E100 electric scooter prioritizes safety. The handlebar adjusts to different heights and houses the handbrake and twist grip accelerator/throttle. Some people feel reassured by the scooter's slow acceleration, while others think it accelerates quickly, but not too quickly for concern. After 12 hours of charging, the 24-volt lead battery can provide up to 40 minutes of continuous ride time. Although the Razor E100 electric scooter has a maximum weight capacity of 120 pounds, many big kids, weighing much more than that, have tried this model for short rides with satisfactory results. This model is easy to assemble, a godsend for parents of kids eager to hop on and ride right away. It has an 8-inch pneumatic front tire, a urethane rear wheel, a sturdy all-steel frame that holds up well, and a handy kickstand. A drawback of the frame's low clearance is that the underside and motor can scrape on the ground when your kid makes sharp turns and rides over curbs. If the Razor E100 electric scooter seems too small, try the highly rated Razor E300 electric scooter. Recommended for riders aged 13 and older, this model is the next step up, with similar but some larger features. Wider 9-inch pneumatic front and rear tires, a taller frame, and a greater maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds. Teens will love this model that zips up to 15 miles per hour and engages the motor from a standstill position. So that sums up our top electric scooters of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.